All right, we are in Kissimmee, Florida, and this is the Rock Church, this big old building here that's kind of like a plaza. Also, it has all kinds of shops in here, like a Goodwill, an Indian restaurant, Dippin' Dots place, $1.99 store. But the history with this Rock City Church is that it used to be the American Gladiators building where they filmed the old American Gladiators TV show right here in this building, and now it's a Rock Church, the Rock Church. So pretty cool. A lot of history in this building. Today is a Sunday, so the parking lot is full with a lot of congregation members. But yeah, hard to believe that this was the television show that I used to watch as a kid, and it was filmed right here, and now it's a church. So as far as looking inside, there's not really a whole lot to see because, well, that show is old and it doesn't look like it did back in the day. And of course now it's a church, of course. But right here, some of the entrances. One cool thing is down here on the end is a remnants of the box office where you would buy your tickets to the show right here. And then now it's like the foyer to the church. Rock City, or Rock Church, the Rock Church, former American Gladiators arena. Kind of wraps around the building here. Pretty cool. My, how time changes things and makes things different. That's Bronson Highway right there. Beautiful palm trees. We'll take a look at the facade one more time. And people dropping off there. There it is. Former American Gladiators building.